Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to restrict a cap discount code to customers with a specific tag in your Shopify store. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Discount Cap and Limit app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, go to your Shopify admin panel, then search for Next Discounts app. Then click on Create New Discount. Then enter the discount title as flat 5% off. And you can just copy that same title and click on discount code and enter the same discount title as the discount code. Then click on percentage and enter the discount in percentage. And enter the capping amount as 100. And select discount applies to all products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirements, then you can select that. And then for customer eligibility, select customer hashtag. Then you can enter the customer tag. Then you can also limit number of times this discount can be used in total. And you can also set the start date and time and end date and time. And if you want to combine this product discount with any another discount, then you can also select that. Then save your changes. Now go to the customer section and you can select any of your customer here. And you can enter the tag here. And you can just select that particular tag and you can copy that customer's email ID and save your changes. Now go to your online store and go to catalog. Then you can add any product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Then we will enter that particular customer's email ID. And now we will enter the test address. And then we will enter the discount code here. And then click on apply. So here you can see that discount has been applied automatically and the 5% of 5,000 is 250. But here the total savings is only showing 100 because we have added capping amount as 100. Now we will just remove that particular customer's email ID and then we will proceed to checkout. Then we will check if we are able to enter the discount code or not. So here you can see that discount is not applying here. So that's it. You have successfully restricted a capped discount code for tagged customers in your Shopify store. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.